Your father name? Their father name? Don't know. Why don't know? Because no one tells about their in front of you because they not achieving something. But Abdul Kalam is not our grandfather or our grandfather's father. But we remember Abdul Kalam, Swami Vivekanand is like.
I said you want to like motivation videos, but do not like with any other things like altu paltu.
Feel shy to stand in front of the mirror and look at yourself and say beautifully, you are handsome, I am handsome, I am great, I am good. Don't feel shy because you are good, man. You need to improve yourself. If you are bad today, doesn't matter, improve yourself tomorrow. That's what the life is about. We need to do that. So
All of you have two hands? Yes? Yes? Ma'am, in your hand, 5 fingers are there. Right? All of you agree this point? Yes.
And here, the next candidate whose name that I'm going to announce, please give a huge round of applause for everyone. Give a huge round of applause for Sushma. Please come up on the stage.
Good evening everyone. Today I am talking about the self-awareness. Self-awareness means knowing the ourself. What is my ability? What is my disability? What I have a strength? What I have a weakness? In every situation that is important because teacher know how to teach to student, but doctor don't know how to teach the student. He know for what the disease, what the medicine, like that. Everyone have their ability in a different perspective. If I can explain with one example. Once upon a time means 5-6 years back, one thief is coming to our house. In that time, that is a summer season. In that time, our mom and dad slept in outside of our house in corridor, and we slept in our house. In that time, theft is coming to our house and mosquito net. For the mosquitoes torture, our mom and dad will holding the mosquito net to sleep. He tried to remove the mosquito net because we know our Indian moms are always wear the rings in their figure of the what legs. Maybe he tried to catch that. In that time, our mom is thinking rain is coming. So like that, so that's why our that net is flying. She feel like that, and she again what did again under the bed sheet. But he did. But that thief is again did like that. But again, my mom is trying to that to keep in bed sheet. But again, when he tried it in a third time, my mom is wake up and she see. In the but she can't see his face, but just she imagine it is my daughter because we are 3 daughters to our mom and dad. She think it is my sister, first sister XYZ and second sister something ABC. She called her name ABC, but he can't any response. Again my mom is woke up and she called again once more in a loud voice ABC, but he tried to better. He just what my mom is wake up and when she is closer to his face, he did like this. In that time, my mom is scared and she wanted biting my dad. They really have the bandana like this. But in that time, that thief is what did he wear the nightie. So he know his ability. He can run fast, but only which we field have we know the ability to stay in that field. We must know some abilities in that field. They know how to react in different situations and to run fast like that. Everyone must should aware of their self. When everyone aware of themselves, they definitely become something in their life. Swami Vivekananda, Abdul Kalam, they got their awareness, so they achieve something. But we don't, when until we not get our awareness, what we have ability, what we have strength, we until we can't find that, until we cannot achieve anything. um and what is your name, Anna? Huh? Ayana. Your father name? Their father name? Don't know. Why don't know? Because no one tells about their in front of you, because they not achieving something. But Abdul Kalam is not our grandfather or a grandfather's father. But we remember Abdul Kalam, Swami Vivekanand, these like inspired people, so many peoples, because they achieve something from getting their awareness. So like that, we also know about ourselves. It helps to achieve something in our life. Thank you.
Superb. Amazing, yeah. What a speech it was. You know, we all were amazed by this. Thank you so much for giving such a wonderful speech by you. Thank you so much. So, guys, here is the next person, the speaker, I can say, is coming on the stage. Everybody, please give a huge round of applause for Saku. Please come on the stage. Vibrate the class with your voice.
Good evening, one and all present here. Already I have introduced myself in the previous session. So presently I would like to talk about myself awareness. So in present generation, so many people are come to read in the Dharwad, but they are served in the whole places of Dharwad. They can accept the concept of what is going on that Dharwad, and what we can accept the concept of that Dharwad. Means in Dharwad, few moments are very good and few moments are very bad, but you can only select the good stories in the Dharwad. But few members are do very wrong way, they can move very wrong ways, because of they can not interested in the study of field. They are came with a possibly for family members. Which person can came from the self confidently, that person will not disturb with any others, like doing celebrities on park, or doing games on mobile games to the PUBG. So many games are allowed, but they can't adapt it, because of they have mentally prepared, I will become a great place in the world. Just they are focused on goal. That persons are very easily become a great in the world. But presently, most people are do very wrong way, because of they will always to be served all the nations, and they can observe the what kind of disturbance are do in the world, that kind they are very familiar, because of they can use mobile for many times. So at the night, all few times we are spend towards the mobile, but we can what kind of information we collected from the mobile. But few members will only collected, just they are see the Instagram, but they can't know what kind of software is present here, because of what kind of thing you run your mind, that mobile will also show related to that mind. So I said you want to like motivation videos, but do not like with any other things like altu paltu. So you can do it. And finally I would tell about you can first must be prepared yourself, what I am doing in the world, and what way we can move, and what type of feelings I will observe here, and what kind of feelings I will accepted from others. Presently, most of the people are read in the Dharwad, but which person can read only for singly, that person will not distracted from any others because of he can move themselves only. If few members are study in a group like communication, like discussing, if one person will introduce the other, like means bad opinions, like that person will say almost all that group will distracted. So finally I will say that you can must be selected only good kind of feelings are present, that person should be in your group. So what kind of I will say, you know me. Okay, thank you for sharing.
Wow, fabulous, yaar. Amazing performance it was. I did not expect such beautiful speech by you. Please give a huge round of applause for her. Please give a huge round of applause for Ramappa. He himself decided that he would come on the stage and speak. Please come here.
Self-awareness. So, first of all, what do you think self-awareness means? Self-awareness, it's just nothing but understanding ourselves. That's it. So, it is the only meaning of self-awareness? No, that isn't the whole meaning of the self-awareness. What do you mean by self-awareness is understanding yourself, analyzing yourself, knowing the strengths of yourself, knowing the weaknesses of yourself, and what is motivating you, what is giving confidence to you. These are the kind of things, these are the all set of things that whole together makes the meaning for self-awareness. So what do you think? Self-awareness means standing in front of the mirror, oh, looking in the mirror, how beautiful I am, how handsome I am. Is this the thing? Do you think it is self-awareness? Yes, of course it is. Self-awareness means awareness of our physical, awareness of our inner mind, awareness of our heart, awareness of our feelings, awareness of our thinking. Everything matters in self-awareness. It matters. Don't feel shy to be motivated. Don't feel shy to stand in front of the mirror and look at yourself and say beautifully, you are handsome, I am great, I am good. Don't feel shy. Because you are good, man. You need to improve yourself. If you are bad today, doesn't matter. Improve yourself tomorrow. That's what the life is about. We need to do that. So self-awareness means self-confidence. The words that come in self-awareness are self-confidence. Whenever there is no confidence around you, when there is no teacher to give confidence to you when you feel down, when there are no parents around you when to give confidence when you are studying or doing something, so then at last stands only one person to you, that is only you, only yourself. So we need to improve ourselves daily. That's what the life is about. Without improving ourselves, there wouldn't have been Swami Vivekananda. He knew himself, so he became a monk, and he is a youth icon to each and every student. And without self motivation, without self awareness, there couldn't have been one Gandhi, there couldn't have been one Ambani, there couldn't have been one Einstein. They all knew themselves before they knowing the knowledge in the field they are in. So we need to understand ourselves first. If I am weak in English, doesn't matter. Give much time to English and improve yourself day by day. If I am good in maths, doesn't matter. Don't keep quiet. Try to improve. Try to get a career in what you are in good at. One might be good in English speaking, communication speaking. One might be good in Hindi communication speaking. One might be good in comedy. One might be good in swimming. One might be good in sports. That doesn't matter. But each and every profession needs English compulsory. Even a farmer needs English. I too am a agricultural background family, from a agricultural background family. Even the medicines, the pesticides that we spray for the crops, they too are not, the name of the medicines are not mentioned in Kannada anywhere. Even though we are in Kannada, even though we are saying speak in Kannada everywhere. But we are not saying bring Kannada into force everywhere. If we bring Kannada into force everywhere, there can be Kannada. But no one else from elsewhere can come here and live a life. So ಎವ್ರಿಥಿಂಗ್ ವಿ ಕನ್ನಡದವರು ವಿಶಾಲ ಹೃದಯದವರು ಅಂತೀವಲ್ವಾ, ಆ ತರ ನಾವು ಕನ್ನಡದವರು ವಿಶಾಲ ಹೃದಯದವರು ನಾವು ಇರೋಣ, ಬೇರೆಯವ್ರಿಗೂ ಬಿಡೋಣ. ಅದೊಂದೇ ನನ್ನ ಮಾತು. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ವಾಟ್ ಸೆಲ್ಫ್ ಅವೇರ್ನೆಸ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್. ಸೆಲ್ಫ್ ಅವೇರ್ನೆಸ್, ಅವೇರ್ ಯುವರ್ ಸೆಲ್ಫ್. ಹೇಳಿ ಎದ್ದೇಳಿ, ಗುರಿ ಮುಟ್ಟುವ ತನಕ ನಿಲ್ಲದಿರಿ ಅಂತ ದೊಡ್ಡ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿಗಳು ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಅಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೂ ನಿಲ್ಬೇಡಿ, ಅಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೂ ನೀವು ಮಾತಾಡಿ, ಅಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೂ ನೀವು ಮಾಡಿ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಸರ್, ದಟ್ಸ್ ಇಟ್.
Ramappa, literally, you did excellent. Superb. I'm speechless now. I'm literally speechless because you spoke a lot of things and you shared a lot about what they can do, what they cannot do. You spoke a lot about self-awareness. Yeah, they should be what you have spoken about. Everybody should be about that. Are you ready? Now I don't know whom I'm going to call, but definitely I'm going to call from girls only. Please give a huge round of applause. I'm going to bring Akshata up on the stage. Please come up on the stage.
Hello everyone. Now I talk about self-awareness. First of all, what is the meaning of self-awareness? That word says that self-awareness. Self-awareness means first knowing ourselves, means what ability we have and what is our weakness, what is our strength, like that. All of you have two hands? Yes? Yes? Ma'am, in your hand, 5 fingers are there, right? All of you agree this point? Yes. In these fingers, all are same? Not same? Yes, agree this point? Right. When we bend the all fingers, then your life will easy. Then your life will be easy. And when will you find your ability, like figure out your ability, that time you realize what ability I have, then you will see amazing happen. Yes, first build yourself, because when will you build yourself, you know your ability, your strength, your weakness, your what you are, right? And first believe in yourself, because when we believe ourselves, that time amazing things are happen. That's why first build yourself, everyone. Whatever challenges you face, that time you should strong, because and act like I am good, I am great, I am do well, I am great in the world. Nowadays I saw many students, they are rushing towards competitive exams only. Why they are take another jobs like business and management, and they build ourselves and they build our career, but they made mistakes. They want to go to competitive exams. That is wrong, because they don't have ability, they don't figure out their ability. That's why when we believe ourselves, that time we realize what ability I have, what should I do, what should I not do, what I do, what I do not do, and what is my next plan. We should prepare ourselves, because no one help to you. That's why nobody can help you anytime, only we can help ourselves. That's why nobody can help you. You believe in yourself, you do well, and amazing things are happen. Thank you to all.
What an amazing performance it has been by Akshata. Please give a huge round of applause for Akshata. Nice. I literally liked it. The performance, the standing, and the voice modulation, the vibration that you created within the classroom. Everything was amazing. Thank you so much, Akshata. And yes, self awareness is much more important than you study other subjects. One should know about your own self, as he has spoken a lot about self awareness, and everybody spoke well on the such topic called self awareness. Yes, if we guys can speak just for 5 to 10 minutes, then everybody needs to understand what self awareness is. Self awareness, just because of, and she has spoken, so many of you have spoken about, many people became this, that, otherwise they wouldn't have been what Swami Vivekananda wouldn't have been Swami Vivekananda today if he didn't know about himself, his strength, his personality, his thought pattern of thinking. Baba Sahib Ambedkar wouldn't have been Baba Sahib Ambedkar today if he didn't know about his mindset, his ability. So the upcoming generation will remember us if we are about, if you are aware about ourselves. Otherwise, this upcoming generation will not remember us at all, because Sushma said that, do you know your father name? Yes, I know. Do you know your mother? Yes, I know. Do you know your grandfather? Yes, I know. Do you know your grandfather's father name? No, I don't know. But we remember that Abdul Kalam. Why? Because of he was totally aware about his personality, his pattern of thinking, pattern of behavior, right? So if we are completely aware about our strength, our weakness, our power, what we can do the best, so I put their photos with their motivational quotations along with, just because it's all about self awareness, it's all about positive thinking, it's all about motivation, it's all about mindset, it's all about thoughts, it's all about character, it's all about behavior, it's all about personality. Thank you so much, everybody, for participating today. Thank you so much again. Please, you can take leave. Have a good day. Take care. Bye bye.